In Belgium, immigration for work is tied directly to labor market needs. The country doesn't run a single national shortage occupation list. Instead, responsibility is divided across regions. That means the rules depend on where the job is located, whether that's Flanders, Brussels, or Wallonia. Each region publishes its own official shortage occupation list through public employment services. These lists are based on real labor market data, like how long it takes to fill jobs, how many workers are available, and demand from employers. My name is Ademola Michael Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Now here's the key point. If a job appears on one of these lists, the employer usually doesn't have to prove that no European Union worker is available. That requirement, called the labor market test, is one of the biggest barriers in European work immigration, and removing it makes hiring a non-European Union worker significantly easier from a legal standpoint. What this means in practice: this does not mean you can just apply and move. Belgium's system is employer-driven. You still need a confirmed job offer. You still need a signed employment contract. And the employer must apply for a combined work and residence permit, often called a single permit. The shortage list doesn't guarantee approval. It simply removes one major legal barrier and can speed up the process. In reality, this system is designed to solve labor shortages, not to provide open immigration access. So your qualifications, experience, and fit for the job still matter just as much as in any competitive job market. Real job context. The types of jobs that appear on this list are not random. They reflect real economic gaps. Across regions, shortages often exist in areas like technical trades, healthcare, engineering, logistics, and IT. These are roles where employers consistently struggle to find workers locally, which is why the government allows more flexibility in hiring internationally. Fact check: Belgium. To understand whether this is a real opportunity, you need to understand Belgium itself factually. Belgium has a high-income, highly developed economy with strong industries in chemicals, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and manufacturing. Major companies like Solvay and UCB operate globally, and the country's central location makes Brussels a key European hub. The country has 3 official languages: Dutch, often called Flemish in Belgium, French, and German. Language requirements depend heavily on the region and the job. While some international roles use English, many positions still require local language skills. Belgium's education system is internationally respected, with institutions like KU Leuven recognized for research and technical fields. Healthcare is universal and based on mandatory insurance, giving residents access to high-quality medical services across the country. In terms of safety, Belgium is considered a stable and generally safe country with strong public institutions and infrastructure, though like any urban environment, some petty crime exists. So this is not a hidden trick to enter Europe. It's a structured, regulated system inside a highly developed economy. If you're serious, focus on skills, not shortcuts, because in Belgium, the opportunity exists, but only for real jobs. Important: Belgium's job system is officially regional. The core platforms are the Flemish Employment and Vocational Training Service, the Brussels Regional Employment Office, and the Walloon Public Employment and Vocational Training Service. These are the same services the government directs job seekers to use. As a registered travel consultant, I base every recommendation on verified information from official government authorities, ensuring dependable and accurate travel guidance. I humbly advise you, do the same. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.